Okay, we got some stuff here. Remember a couple weeks ago, I ran a contest. It was a contest for you to submit your apps, your NativeScript apps that you're proud of. Well, there are so many submissions that I think we're gonna have to have 3 places. First place is gonna get all this stuff. Second place is gonna get a t-shirt and some stickers. And we're gonna have a third place also that I'm gonna send a bunch of stickers to. But everybody who entered, thank you so much for entering. This was really amazing. And it was just brilliant looking through all the different apps that you've created. Really good work, folks. It was really hard to select 10 entries that I thought were really amazing, and I thought that I would share it with you and have you folks vote on who is going to be the winner. So I'm going to show you the screenshots of the apps, and some folks send me videos if the screenshot by itself doesn't really show much, but the video does. And some folks send me links to the app stores that I'm going to share here as well. Here's how you vote. Pick your favorite, 1 through 10. I'm gonna number them as we go through them. So let's say number 3 is your favorite. You're gonna say first place, number 3, second place, number 5, and third place, number 10. And you're gonna put that in the comments down below in this video. I'm gonna announce the winners on June 3rd on this channel, so you have until then to vote. All right, now we got a lot to go through, so let's start. Entry number 1 is this one. Very beautiful app. I love it. Oh, I'm going to be adding some of my own commentary here. Hope that doesn't sway your own decision. And here it is in the App Store. It's called Green Map. It's an app for those that want to lead an ecologically moral life. The design is beautiful. It's in both app stores, Android and iOS. Number 2 is this app right here. It's a NativeScript Angular application called LSO app. Here it is in the Google Play Store. There's some screenshots in there for you. It's a very creatively designed app, I gotta say. It's unique. It's got the dark theme and the light theme all together. I kind of like this screen right here. Number 3, and this app uses biometrics, OAuth, push notifications, QR scanner. It's basically an investment wealth management platform. Here it is in the iOS App Store. I gotta say, folks, the quality of this is really fantastic. The design, the cleanliness, I just love it. It's beautifully done. Number 4. Now, the screenshot doesn't show much, but check out the video that he sent along. Look at that. We got a sweet little animation. The menu just slides out there. It's got a 3D effect. The content pops out at you. Let's play that again. Wow, that's a really cool animation. Beautifully done. Number 5. This app is called Challenger, and it's for those folks that want to trade in their cars for something more sustainable, such as biking or walking. So this app encourages them to do those things that are better for the environment and better for them. Really well-designed app. It also has a unique twist that I haven't seen before in an app with these center logos here, separating out the list items. Nicely done. Number 6. It's a scuba diving app. Very nice, beautiful. I like the color themes. I like the gradient that you adopted throughout the entire application. It's clean, it's easy to use, large text. Very nicely done. Number 7, this app is in German. I don't understand German, but I can tell that it's free with what looks like in-app purchases. And this is the screenshots right here. We have an Android version and an iOS version. They're both deployed to the app stores. A killer looking app. Love this thing. Beautiful. How are you guys so good at this? And why aren't you creating your YouTube channels teaching this stuff? Probably because you're busy creating these beautiful apps, right? So this is a personal training coach application. The app is available in both app stores, like I mentioned. Go check it out. It's a free app. Number 8 just has one screenshot, but it's one of my favorites because it's so beautiful and simple. I really love the color scheme, so clearly a designer was involved here. I don't know how you got the status bar to have that gradient in it, but that's pretty neat. I love that. And it's just clean and really nice to look at. Here's number 9. I don't have a description of what this app does, but it looks like maybe it's a Uber type of app where you get to call the driver and you get picked up by a car. Finally, number 10. Here we have a really beautiful app, nice colors, everything just pops. There's definitely some simplicity here, which is good. It looks like it's easy to use, easy on the eyes, and I think I might have looked at it backwards. This might be the login page, so it's probably first. Anyway, Here it is. There you go, that's 1 through 10. So down in the comments below, tell me what your first place option is, what your second place, and what your third place is. And again, thank you so much, folks, for sending me your apps. They were all very good, and it was very difficult to pick the top 10, but I will be doing another contest shortly. We're gonna keep doing it on this channel. So make sure you vote, and June 3rd is when we'll do the review and I'll announce the winners. We got some tutorials coming up until then. So subscribe to this channel to get those tutorials, and I'll see you all next time.